Hello guys, and welcome back to BitKE, the best place for all your cryptocurrency news and other related stories from Kenya and the rest of Africa. Stay tuned to see what we have for you today. Now, our first story of the day is about Tidal Finance, who have seen massive support from the community after getting oversubscribed 500 times upon its initial DEX offering on Polka Starter. And as of this reporting, the Tidal Finance listing on Balancer has already seen the token go up by over 10 times in value. Now, a total of 1 billion Tidal tokens will be distributed in the ongoing Balancer liquidity bootstrapping pool. So get more information about this story by clicking the link that is provided in the description box. The new partnership in town is between Paxful and Xago, which is a South African exchange, in order to enable more South Africans gain access to cryptocurrencies. So what this means is that Xago users will now be able to trade with individuals on the Paxful platform. And some of the countries that Xago is looking to enter soon is Kenya and Ghana. So residents of Kenya and Ghana, make sure you watch out for that. But as for now, get more information about this story by clicking the link that is provided in the description box. And well, that's all I had for you today. If you're new here, subscribe so that you don't miss out on anything that we post on this channel. And also, for more regular news updates, consider joining our Telegram channel. The link is provided in the description box. Okay? Yeah, I'll see you in the next video.